The skin color of prehistoric humans, often referred to as cavemen, would have varied significantly based on several factors, including geographic location, climate, and evolutionary adaptations. Here's a more detailed look. Geographic variations. Tropical regions. Early humans living in equatorial areas would likely have had darker skin. Increased melanin provided protection against the intense ultraviolet radiation found in these regions, reducing the risk of skin cancer and protecting against folate degradation. Temperate and northern regions. In contrast, populations in northern latitudes with lower ultraviolet exposure may have developed lighter skin over time. Lighter skin is more efficient at synthesizing vitamin D in low light conditions, which is crucial for bone health. Evolutionary adaptations, natural selection. As humans migrated to different environments, skin color adapted to optimize survival. Dark skin evolved as a protective measure against ultraviolet radiation, while lighter skin emerged as a response to lower sunlight exposure. Genetic diversity. It's important to note that there was likely a wide range of skin tones among early humans. Genetic diversity contributed to varying levels of melanin production, leading to a spectrum of skin colors. As humans spread across the globe, they encountered different groups, leading to interbreeding and further variation in skin color. Cultural practices, such as the use of body paint and adornment, also influence perceptions of beauty and identity. Recent studies of ancient DNA and skin color genetics have provided insights into the pigmentation of early humans. For instance, some studies suggest that even early European populations had darker skin than modern Europeans before adapting to their environments over thousands of years. While we can make educated guesses about the skin color of prehistoric humans based on environmental adaptations and genetic research, the reality is likely complex, with a broad spectrum of skin tones existing among early populations. The concept of skin color as we understand it today is a relatively modern construct influenced by various biological, social, and environmental factors.